it going, guys? Chris here to talk about most important first mod for your ST. We get these cars because we want to change them, modify them, make them our own, have fun. So if you were like me when I first got the car, read, watched videos, looked up, what should I do first? What's my first step? Depending on what you find, you can get a lot of different answers. Intercooler, motor mount, Composer delete, exhaust, a whole array of different things. I'm going to give you my personal opinion on what I think you should do first, and definitely something that I wish I'd known about ahead of time. A few ago, got a flat tire, driving to work at night, so ran over a tire weight in the road that I didn't see. Ended up just shredding the tire, which sucked. But so pulled over, changing the tire, no big deal. Done it plenty of times before, but I ended up finding an issue. So let's go check it out. So I pulled over, get out of the car, go to the trunk, get the old tire iron that comes with the car. Come in, go to change it, and oh look, it doesn't go on the lug nut. Let's see, this one goes on a little bit, but gets stuck. This one doesn't even want to go on at all. So there I am in the dark, side of the road, late for work, trying to change my tire, spending 10-15 minutes on it, pissed off, and I could not get it on the lugs so I could change the tire. Ended up calling my buddy who was close by, got him to get some tools over. We ended up hammering some sockets on, spent about almost an hour trying to change the wheel so I can get the spare on. The pain in the ass. But apparently there is an issue that Ford has with their lug nuts. So if you don't know, most lug nuts are just one solid piece of steel. But Ford, for some reason, decided that they're gonna make it different. So it's steel core with an aluminum cap, and it causes issues, as you can see. Some people say they swell, or it's dirt and grime and other crap from the road gets up under there and distorts it. Some people say no, it's because it was over torqued when the tire got changed. Honestly, it really doesn't matter why it's happening. What the issue is that it's happened. You don't want to be like me, stuck on the side of the road trying to change it, especially if you don't have the resources to help you. You end up waiting there for a while for a tow truck. So I got some guards that we're going to be putting on today, so that happens again, I'm not stuck on the side of the road. So we're gonna take to my father-in-law's shop because I really don't feel like dealing with this myself. So we're gonna let him have some fun today. So let's get going. All right, so got the new lug nuts on. Gotta say the black looks much nicer. Even came with the wheel lock. So again, they were my guards. It's like $70 or something on Amazon. Came with the wheel lock. Even comes with a code in case you lose your lock. You need to order a new one. Yeah, so definitely something that I think is top first thing that you should do. You can see how, I mean, it was pretty quick at the shop, but you know, had to use a couple of different sockets, and even the lugs got stuck and had to hammer them out. So highly doubt you keep those in your car, and it's gonna be a pain in the ass if you don't have it. So yeah, if you like what you saw, hit subscribe. Always up for ideas on next videos. Let me know. Later.